Citation 300 Whiskey, Deck of Tally on frequency.
Yes, ma'am, we're ready.
Citation Juliet Whiskey, traffic in the upper making a right now on departure, turn left heading 330, runway 9 to full and clear for takeoff.
330, clear for takeoff, runway 9, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Number 734, Golf Alpha Flake Turbulence, this will be a full stop, runway 9 and clear to land, winds 110 at 11.
Runway 9, clear to land for Golf Alpha.
And 3 Charlie Mike, remain clear to Fort Lauderdale's past Charlie airspace, please.
Remain clear, 3 Charlie.
Alright, 2 and takeoff, power is achieved, airspeed's alive. Panels
Major 975,
cross checks.
continue, traffic in position.
Big one.
Airbase continue, 80975.
That's all right. Flight level change. Now we're waiting for 400 feet.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, contact Miami departure.
Over to departure, 300 Juliet Whiskey, good day.
Miami 128.6, have a good morning.
286, absolute, good day.
UPS 2327, heavy contact, Miami Center 135.17, have a good day.
3517, UPS 2327, heavy, take care.
Miami departure, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey is leveling 2000 in the turn to 330.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, Miami departure, good morning. To radar contact, climb and maintain 6000.
6000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Cabin is pressurizing.
Departure, hello, JetBlue 1130, passing 1.6 for 4 south.
JetBlue 1130, Miami departure, good morning. Radar contact, climb and maintain 5000.
5000, JetBlue 1130.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, climb and maintain 10,000.
10,000, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Alright, 10,000 set. We're in flight level change mode, climbing at 222. Going about 3,800 foot a minute. Not bad since I got a lot of gas. Because it was cheap.
Departure Fluxjet 419 out of 2000 for 4000 on a heading of 95.
Fluxjet 419, Miami departure, low radar contact, climb and maintain 5000.
5000, good morning, 419.
Put direct Alonzo or whatever. See what it gives. He might give me.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, clear direct Alonzo.
Direct Alonzo, 0 Juliet Whiskey.
Blue 1130, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 8 miles southwestbound to level 6000, company Airbus.
Alright, looking JetBlue 1130.
Alright. That's it.
Flight 419, turn left heading is 020.
We're going
Left 020,
stop the
419.
camera if I can get it to work on my remote. That's what I'll try to do. Alright, so stay tuned.
3337, checking in 410.
Southwest 3337, Washington Center, block 1306.
1306, here you go.
Driller 91, contact Washington Center 135.3.
353, we'll do it. Driller 91, he take her now.
Corner Washington Center, 510, Romeo Mike, level 12,000.
Maintain flight level 290 for United 1530.
Number 300 Juliet Whiskey, contact Greensboro approach 126.6.
266, 0 Juliet Whiskey, good day.
5 right.
Alright, we'll plan the RNAV 5 right, 0 till time.
Greensboro approach, citation 300 Juliet Whiskey is 13.5, descending 12,000, we have Delta.
300 Juliet Whiskey, Greensboro approach, 5 right, altimeter 3013.
3013, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Mount 59, 60 degrees for approach 5 right, altimeter 3013, Delta. Executive 4097 miles from Pagan, turn left heading 080, maintain 3000 till established on
Took out my engine heat on because now it's got colder again.
Upquest 870, contact Atlanta Center 1288.
Alright, we've tuned and identified now, even though the localizer is showing on the wrong side. We're still in that little cone of confusion coming from the side. Start slowing down a little more.
Sierra Juliet Whiskey, maintain 3000.
3000, Sierra Juliet Whiskey.
Turn my engine heats off now. Plus 11.
Sierra Juliet Whiskey, turn right heading 030, join localizer.
030 to join the localizer, Sierra Juliet Whiskey.
We're just hitting half.
Departure 569, Mike Kilo, climbing 2,300 for 5,000.
November 569, Mike Kilo, Greensboro departure, rate of contact, climb maintain 6000. Turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, climb maintain 6,000, 569 Mike Kilo.
Sierra Juliet Whiskey, 4 miles from Pagan, cleared ILS 5 right approach.
Cleared ILS 5 right, Sierra Juliet Whiskey.
Good approach.
November 0 Kilo Papa, 13 miles from center, cross center at or above 3000, cleared RNAV 5 right approach.
3,000 over center, and we're cleared for the RNAV 5 right for 90 Kilo Papa.
Piedmont 5960, maintain 6000.
Speed checks, 1 notch of
Sierra Juliet Whiskey, contact tower.
Over to tower, Sierra Juliet Whiskey, good day. Great. For tower citation 300 Juliet Whiskey's ILS 5 right.
Jet 409, you going to signature?
Affirmative.
Jet 409, taxi, Kilo to parking, monitor ground.
Kilo to parking, monitor ground, and call the braking action 555, and we broke out at about 1500 MSL, 649.
Jet 409, roger, thank you. 0 Juliet Whiskey, runway 5 right, clear to land, you copy that, pirate?
Clear land 5 right, we copy off, Sierra Juliet Whiskey, thanks.
And tower 138, Foxtrot Juliet 5 left, ready to go.
Falcon 138, Foxtrot Juliet, Greensboro Tower, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff, fly heading 050 for now.
050, clear for takeoff, Foxtrot Juliet.
Speed checks, we're getting full flaps, they're moving. Got quite a wind from the right. See how crooked it is, see the synthetic vision, the runway's way off to the left. It's crabbing like crazy, got a 25 knot direct crosswind. Tail plus 10, so we're okay with the heats. Three-mile final. going down 1100. All right, got the runway inside. For a second, then it went out of sight, and it's coming back in.
500.
There's the runway, altitude checks.
Autopilot.
Autopilot, yaw damps away.
Minimums. Minimums.
Falcon 8 Foxtrot Juliet, turn right heading 070, contact departure today.
Going to departure 070, Foxtrot Juliet.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, say parking.
We're going to signature.
Citation 0 Juliet Whiskey, turn left Kilo 2, taxi Kilo to parking, monitor ground.
Kilo 2, Kilo to parking, 1 monitor ground, 0 Juliet Whiskey.